Finally, 3.4, the totals. So we're going to first yellow highlight our initial outlay in B2 because anything that's yellow we're going to have to include in the real total initial outlay, with the price of the business, but price of whatever other equipment that we have to buy. And we're going to type the word total in the bottom underneath all the equipment lines in the A column and total all that, all the yellow ones in calculate the total of B2, but it's going to be whichever ones. It's not going to be a colon, and in some cases it will be that you'll have to get all of them. But in my case, we're kind of picking which ones they are. So I'll show you how to do that with some. And then after we're done making that total, we're going to yellow highlight that total. And then we're going to calculate the depreciation total in the C column below all of those and autofill that depreciation for each year to the M column. So the shortcuts we're going to be using, we're going to be copy and pasting Control C, Control V. We're going to be going to specific cells with Control G. We're going to be going autofilling to the right, Control R. We're going to be toggling between Chrome and Excel with Alt Tab, and we're going to be going between different tabs in Chrome with Control Tab or Control Shift Tab. Okay, so let's Control Shift Tab and go back to our instructions and start by highlighting the initial outlay of the sale of the business. So that's Alt Tab to get back to Excel, and I'm already on that, but if I wasn't, I go Control G to B2, enter, and then Alt HH and yellow that. Then I'm going to go across to the A column and go Control down to get to the bottom of my text currently in the A column, and then go down arrow one more, type the word total, and then across equal sum bracket. And so I have B2, comma, and then I also have, do I have any others? No, just B2, and then this one in B6, and this one in B10. That's all I have for me. Then the next one, though, it's a sum of all of these. I'm going to start with this one, Shift, and then up arrow or Shift Control up arrow, and it goes all the way to the top, and enter. So that's the one, C3 to C10 for all my depreciation that year. Oh, I forgot to highlight this one, Alt HH. Okay, so it's yellow for that total. And then this one, I'm going to autofill. Shift, go across to the M column, and Control R. And then I see that I'm not selling the, yeah, it's just selling my business. But this should be including 2. Oh, because 2 is not there. Yeah, I've got to include 2 on this. F2, go back and change that to 2 and autofill that across to M. Control R, good. Because my equipment, I'm probably not going to be able to sell it, or if I do, those are separate things. I'm probably just going to wear them out. But I will be able to sell the business again. And that's it for the totals.